In primetime news this evening, record COVID-19 numbers again. We have a first-hand account from a hospital representative. Children to be vaccinated. Health Ministry explains plans for children 12 years or older. And later, Maroons versus the state. We have a legal analysis of this brewing situation.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Financial Week, Primetime Sports, Sports Commentary, E-Prime and Weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on the 15% fare hike for bus and taxi operators? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.